Hello my lovelies, I am back with another delicious video. Today we're going to be making arroz con leche or rice pudding, so come along. We're going to start off this recipe by placing 1 cup of rice into a pot. Next I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks. Then I'm going to add a few cloves for taste. We're going to continue by adding 2 cups of water, just enough to make sure that everything is covered. And then we're going to add in our sweet stuff. So you could either add sugar or condensed milk. We're going to crank up that stove to a medium-high heat, and then we're just going to place a lid on it. And now we're just going to let our rice cook. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes to do so. Going back to the sugar part, you could add as much sugar or condensed milk as you like, as sweet as you like. Once that rice is nice and soft and tender, we're going to add in 1 cup of evaporated milk. You could also twist it up a little bit and maybe add coconut milk or any other type of milk that you like. And last but not least, just a few minutes before it's done, we're going to add in some raisins. It is completely optional. At this point, you could add in some lemon zest, orange zest, vanilla, coconut milk, anything you like. I'm going to let the raisins settle in for another 5 to 6 minutes and then we'll be done. I just want to remind everybody that at this point, the more you let it boil, the more thicker it will be. So if you like a more watery type of arroz con leche or rice pudding, then you would stop the cooking here. And voila, we have some delicious creamy and chewy arroz con leche. You could have it cold, you could have it hot. I like it more on the porridge side, but you could have it a little bit more liquidy than this. But there you have it, easy peasy. And here we have our delicious, creamy, finished product. Oh my God, I am so proud of myself. Now, with trusty Valentia, how are you doing?
It's mid-time, so I'm gonna see how is the arroz con leche.
Okay.
So I like the cinnamon that is, on top. Okay. But I'm gonna try first.
All right. Let me know how it tastes with the golden raisins and the creamy evaporated milk.
Oh my God. This is really, really amazing. This is really good.
So I passed the taste test?
Good taste, yeah.
I did.
10.
Great. Awesome. All right, then I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. We have new videos coming out this week, so stay tuned. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll always be aware of the new videos that are going to be uploaded. And bye-bye.